everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I have a great project to show you today. I was really excited when the Sale-A-Bration second release came out and I saw that Happy Houseplants was on there. Now this is a thing, I bought one a while back and hadn't used it yet. Basically it comes with 4 frames that are 6 by 6 and they're just white, nice little white frames. And the houseplant part was, I don't know, they've got mats and it has cute little things to make houseplant pictures. I didn't even pull them out yet, but you know, like things like this, but it has lots of these little punch out things so you can make a cute little pictures. So I'm going to set those aside and probably make cards out of them. But look what I made with the frame, and they have 4 frames in the whole thing, 4 free when you place a $60 order now through the end of February. So you don't have much time, but it's easy to spend $60. So think about doing this idea. Now look, I took one of the frames and I've used this Floral Delight Designer Series paper and just cut out a little hole in the middle with Stylish Shapes dies with the largest square, and then just added a couple flowers down here. Isn't that neat? So I think I'm going to make a couple to match, and so the other one I'm going to do right here, and I'll just run you through how it's done. So here's the pretty framed photo that we're going to be making, and I got the idea basically when I saw these come on the second release Sale-A-Bration. So they are called Happy Houseplants Kit. They're normally $25, but you're going to be able to get it for free with a $60 order through Sale-A-Bration, which ends the end of February. And it comes with 4 of these frames. And so I'm starting with this first one. This is called Floral Delight Designer Series paper. It's beautiful paper, really springy and cheerful. And I thought for the to make a second one, I wanted to choose a different paper that just, you know, goes with the first one. And it was hard because I thought this one was a little too yellow. They're all so pretty. This one was really nice. And what's the other one? They had this one, the flowers are just kind of big. I wasn't sure how it would look. So I'll go with this one. And I have cut it 6 inches by 6 inches. And now I'm going to use my largest square from Stylish Shapes and just cut a square right out of the middle. So I'm back with this, and I'm going to cut a lemon lolly piece of cardstock that's 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And after that, just to let you know what I'm cutting out, I'm using Delightful Wishes dies to cut out all my flowers. So these backgrounds are these 2 here, and they're going to be cut out of lemon lolly, and then these 2 little things with the little sprigs coming out, those are going to be peach pie. And then for the centers, I'm going to cut out gold foil. Okay, for leaves, I am using 2 sets. This one's really a nice leaf. It's Happy Hibiscus, and you get 2 of them in there. And then this is from Citrus Blooms dies. So I'm just going to do a bunch of cutting now. And the colors, the leaves are with Old Olive. Okay, I'm going to take my lemon lolly square and glue it to the back of my 6 by 6 Designer Series paper. Just running a little line of glue on the back. And I think I'm gonna do it this way to get it glued on real well. There you go. Let me see when I turn it over if it's pretty straight. It's probably fine. Okay, it's the first part. I have a photo already, and I've cut it 2.5 by 2.5, so it'll go with my other, this is my daughter. It'll go with her other wedding picture, and I'm just going to glue it on here. Okay, and now the flowers. Okay, so I've got these two cut out, and they're such, they're kind of intricate, you know, little pieces, and I don't want to get glue all over, so I'm using this little glue thing, fine tip one that I got on Amazon. And I'm just putting it down just kind of in the middle. I'm going to put the gold on just right there. I think you could kind of place it however it looks good to you. Okay, so there's the two flowers. Maybe the hardest part is just figuring out how to position them. I like my other one, like this, and then I'm tucking leaves underneath like this. Let me just put a little on the middle so I can still lift up part of the flower to stick leaves under it. I'll put the big hibiscus on there first, the hibiscus leaves, and then let me see. There's no right or wrong way to do these. Just keep adding leaves until you really like it. Oh, I like it over like this. One last one. Let me see. Okay, now I can press them down better. Okay, that was a fast project and really pretty. Let me see, for this one, I'm just going to remove these. And you take this piece out, I guess it's plexiglass, and it's got a little film on it. Yeah, you kind of want those numbers off. There you go. Just want to make sure there's no spots on it or something. Oh, that looks really good. How pretty. Isn't that neat? I think they're going to love this. I might not be able to give this one away. Really like it. I hope you guys like this idea and try to get it during Sale-A-Bration. It's a great deal. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Aloha.